Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the app icon in the Shopify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the store button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And at the app settings section, click on the app icon button. And as you can see, right now there are two to choose from. So just click on the one that you want, and then you have changed the icon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.